Good evening, all my rockstars. Welcome to Vedantu Young Wonders. This is Amit Sir, your master teacher for English. And how is everyone doing? Hello, Saloni. What's up, my Anshu? Hi, my Aryan. Hello, good evening, Divya. Hello, my Kiran. What's up, everybody? Okay, people, today I'm calling all the environment lovers. क्या आपको नेचर से प्यार है? क्या आपको कंसर्न है पीपल फॉर द इन्वायरमेंट एंड द अर्थ? दिस इज अ मस्ट वॉच वीडियो फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. बेटा ये वीडियो आपको हेल्प करेगा इवन इन ऑल योर प्रोजेक्ट्स टू डू विद ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. सो टुडे लेट अस फाइंड आउट. ठीक है, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग क्या होता है, क्यों होता है, कैसे होता है. आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू गिव यू ऑल रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल्स पीपल इन द recent events what huge disasters have happened because of global warming. ठीक है. Hi my Sameer, what's up my Hardik, hi my Gautam Lal. ठीक है, people, are you all excited? I am super excited because beta this is something that you need to know as today's youth. This is a very important topic. ठीक है, चलो. So beta वैसे this is me Amit Rohara. You know me by now, but I'm your English YouTube master teacher. People, remember, you are here to become a reader, a writer and an achiever truly. चलो people, stay connected किसी भी हालत में. बेटा हमको इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करो @the_amit_rohara for a lot of mind maps, word banks, grammar hacks, guru mantras, and some fun content. One of you faces any doubts, I am available on my Telegram handle amit_rh. Join my channel for free PDF study material and some fun grammar and vocabulary का material as well. ठीक है, and people, you can email me if you want to. ठीक है, चलो. सो व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर? लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द तड़कता भड़कता टॉपिक ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. जल्दी जल्दी सारे के सारे मेरे बच्चे इसी वक्त लाइक बटन दबाएंगे. पीपल, शो अमित सर योर लव. प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन. डेफिनेटली पीपल, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. स्टे कनेक्टेड बिकॉज वी आर गेटिंग लॉट्स ऑफ एक्साइटिंग वीडियोस जस्ट फॉर योर. एंड बेटा 100% शेयर करना अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बिकॉज ज्ञान बांटने से बढ़ता है. ठीक है, चलो पीपल, इसी के साथ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो एवरी वन ऑफ अस नो द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर, लेकिन ये होता क्या है फिर भी एक बार समझ लेते हैं. बेटा ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इज अ कंसिस्टेंट अपसर्ज. बेटा अपसर्ज इज नथिंग बट इंक्रीज इन द अर्थ का एवरेज टेम्परेचर. ठीक है, कॉज्ड और इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय अनइंटरप्टेड मतलब नॉन स्टॉप एमिशंस. बेटा एमिशंस मतलब जो निकलता है ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस. बेटा ये इसको बोलते हैं GHG. पीपल, GHG इज वेरी बैड. थैंक यू माय अंशु. हाय माय अरमानी एंड श्रुति, हाउ आर यू? सो गुड टू सी यू. ठीक है, so people, this has been the problem. Slowly but steadily people, the earth ka temperature is rising. You know what, I was actually people seeing a video. उसमें ना 1800s में, ठीक है, अर्थ का टेम्परेचर वॉज मोर और लेस कांस्टेंट. मतलब पीपल 100 years में इट वॉज मोर और लेस कांस्टेंट. पीपल 1900s में इट वॉज मोर और लेस कांस्टेंट. पीपल, यू विल नॉट बिलीव बेटा, 1980 टू 2000, हेलो people, in just 20 years, 1980 to 2000, अर्थ का टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज बाय 1.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अभी थिंक पीपल, थिंक पूरे अर्थ का ओवरऑल टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज is a huge deal. But that is the thing. That is a very big deal. This is why global warming is absolutely horrible. चलो तो बेटा 50 years में, ठीक है, there has been a gradual rise in the earth का average global temperature. देखो people, we keep talking about globalization is good, industrialization is good, urbanization is good, modernization is good. हम लोग ये बोलते रहते हैं हमेशा, सर कितना मस्त है सर. देखो बेटा, सबकी वजह से अर्थ की बैंड बज गई है. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच वी ऑल शुड अंडरस्टैंड एंड रिमेंबर. ठीक है पीपल, आर्यन इज जस्ट राइटिंग यो. हाय माय परी, हाउ आर यू? हेलो क्रिमिनल जी, है ना भाउ फैक्स? एब्सोल्युटली. चलो अच्छा बेटा, other than that, remember, धीरे धीरे, slowly, this trend beta has been accelerating. So Amit sir told you what, that is 1980 to 2000 people, this increased by 1.5 degree. Did you all know people, from 2000 to 2020, abhi people, this should have come down, matlab we should have done something. People, the temperature rose by 1.6 degrees. मतलब वी ट्राइड पीपल. 2000 में एवरीबॉडी वोक अप. 2000 में वर्ल्ड लीडर्स वर लाइक अरे 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 कुछ तो करना बनता है पीपल. 20 years के एफर्ट्स के बाद Net result, it increased by zero point 0.1 degree. It did not decrease, people. Now it is higher by 1.6 degrees. Oh no, just imagine, people, just imagine. Super super sad है. ठीक है, that's the state of global warming. अच्छा, तो बेटा अभी ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस कौन सी होती है, ये you should remember. It's a part of your science subject also, but you should definitely, बेटा, methane, which is the number one contributor towards methane. Can anybody answer in the chat, बेटा? Methane सबसे ज्यादा किस में से निकलता है? Can somebody tell me? पोकीमॉन ओपी, आर्यन बेटा, क्या बात है, तू फ्यूचर प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनेगा. People, anybody, any idea? Hi, my Krishna, how are you? Krishna, I've got your message on Telegram. ठीक है, I've got, I'll reply. Hello, hi, what's up? I'm so happy to see all my rock stars. ठीक है, people, माधुरी सिंह, smoke. ठीक है, people, methane का number one cause of emitter, beta, are our ACs, our air conditioners. Just imagine. हाँ, smoke भी है. That is, the smoke emitted from the vehicles. Nitrous oxide, beta, nitrous oxide again comes out from AC. Just imagine. Now you will ask me, sir, तो क्या AC नहीं चलाएंगे क्या? कितनी गर्मी है नॉर्थ इंडिया में, आके देखो ना. बेटा, आई अग्री, बट ये गर्मी इज ऑल्सो रिजल्ट ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. जस्ट इमेजिन. ठीक है, एंड 100% कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. बेटा, नो, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बहुत ट्रेजेडी है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज एमिटेड बाय ट्रीज. अभी पीपल, ट्रीज लगाना तो बंद नहीं कर सकते ना, सो दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. या, ठीक है, दिस इज द मेन कॉज ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. सो बेटा, क्या क्या है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड है, विच इज NO2, CO2, एंड बेटा हमार मेथेन, CH4. This is the most important, beta. These gases combined, they are depleting the ozone layer because chlorofluorocarbons बनते हैं. बेटा, इनकी वजह से अर्थ का टेम्परेचर is slightly increasing. Just imagine. Super super sad. Pollution, plastic, yes. चलो बेटा, अभी ना थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग डिस्कशन करते हैं. यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग ग्लोबल वार्मिंग मतलब सर इंडस्ट्रीज एंड पोल्यूशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. Beta, there are natural causes also of global warming that we can't control only. Just imagine, and that's what I want you all to remember. Man-made causes तो भर भर के है. Beta, can somebody give me an example of natural cause of global warming? बताओ. Live chat में somebody please tell me an example of a natural cause of global warming. I'll be super impressed. Come on, let's see how many of my rock stars get it. Anybody? क्या बात है, लिखो. Deforestation. Beta, that's man-made. Sir, I want to join Pro Classic. Okay, criminal, I will make you join. Don't worry. ठीक है, anybody? Forest fires. Krishna, absolutely. Divya, oh my goodness. Pari, beta, very good है. Madhuri, ultraviolet rays are not natural causes. ठीक है, they are, मतलब ozone layer, because of us they have come through. ठीक है, very good. Dust, beta, is not a cause of global warming, but not bad. Manufacturing is man-made, but I'm very impressed with all my rock stars के answers. चलो, so beta, number one natural cause, people, which recently has increased a lot, beta, is volcanic eruptions. देखो people, now we understand volcanic eruptions मतलब magma rises from within the core of the earth. Volcanoes are super cool. As per me, I can make another video just on volcanoes. People, in that video now, I just want to show you all real footage of real volcanoes. Oh my god, I'm talking of remote volcanoes, not जिसने ऐसे destroy किया. Don't worry, people. They constitute one of the significant natural causes यार, affecting global warming because of the increased release of gases and smoke from the eruptions. People, recently there was a very big underwater volcano, बेटा, जो फटा. This was the first time an underwater volcano was captured by satellite. People, you know what? 5 minutes में, hello, look at me. 5 minutes में, people, there was a ready-made island that came up on the surface. People, when that underwater volcano blasted na, beta, from both the sides, hundreds of kilometers दूर, land started shaking. Remember that. And 5 minutes के बाद, the satellite captured from space, there was a fully formed island. That is the thing, people. That is the problem. So we can't control this. 100% this is not in our control. But beta, ये underwater volcano was absolutely, my god, bizarre था ये. चलो, people, forest fires ना बेटा अभी दो प्रकार के होते हैं. So natural forest fires, 100%, which all of you guys got it. ठीक है, बेटा, when significant scale vegetation burns leading to forest blaze, there is a lot of carbon that, देखो बेटा, carbon na is stored in what? Living things. We are full of carbon, trees are full of carbon, animals are full of carbon. अभी बेटा if an entire forest catches fire, all of it will die, all of it will burn. वो कार्बन किधर जाएगा? हवा में. So बेटा, this is the saddest part. And the rise in greenhouse gas emissions, GHGs. So everybody knows. Sir, आपने चेरनोबिल इंसिडेंट के बारे में सुना है? अरे कृष्णा बेटा, चेरनोबिल तो बाप रे. नहीं, but I can create a video on Chernobyl also. उसमें भी लेके आऊंगा. People, Chernobyl we should understand एकदम in depth and in detail. It's a very very kind of a very big tragedy that occurred, and because of one small mistake, people, one small mistake. चलो, but yeah, that's a good idea. अच्छा, people, 100% बेटा अभी आ जाओ हमारे man made causes. देखो, man is the number one culprit बेटा. That is deforestation for every kind of a thing. ठीक है. Yes, Amazon का absolutely. So people, in fact, talking about forest fires, बेटा जो Amazon के forest fires थे, they were very bad. Amazon burnt and burnt and burnt बेटा. There were thousands and thousands of trees that were destroyed. Acres and acres beta, species of animals were wiped out. So sad na. Acha, did you all know beta that there were raging fires in California? California is in United States of America. सोचो बेटा, USA में, California में ऐसे forest fire हुआ. This is because of global warming. Global warming in the sense it became so hot. People, California में, I have friends, and you know what they told me? They told me that the sky was orange for 3 days. पीपल, आप और हमारे यहाँ पे स्काई ऑरेंज होता है कभी कभार सनसेट के टाइम पे. सनसेट के टाइम पे जनरली द स्काई टर्न्स ऑरेंज. पीपल, फुल डे द स्काई वाज ऑरेंज. बेटा मेंटी आज का दिन नहीं होगा, समीर समीर, बट अगले हफ्ते अमित सर इज गोइंग टू बी बैक विद रॉकिंग मेंटीज. डोंट वरी. मेंटी नहीं, वीक क्विज है. ठीक है. क्रिमिनल इज आस्किंग विल यू कम इन 6 PM क्लास, लेट्स चैट देयर. क्रिमिनल, आई विल कम विद यू एंड आई विल चैट विद यू. क्या कर रहा है हरकतें मेरे चैट में? ठीक है, चलो. People, 100% beta, man-made causes deforestation. So human activities, continued forest loss beta for industrialization, commercial profits, ठीक है, drive the increase in carbon dioxide. मतलब don't cut forests, don't cut trees, but people, where do we live? Population is increasing. अच्छा, the biggest tragedy. People, if you live in cities like Delhi, beta, anybody from Delhi here? Give me a yo in the chat. Anybody in Delhi? Give me a yo. Jaldi jaldi, give me a yo. People, anybody from Delhi here or आसपास from Delhi? Anybody from Delhi? Anybody आसपास? Oh my goodness, my Hardik is there. Oh wow. ठीक है. अरे वाह. ठीक है. अरे वाह. Superb, superb, superb. So beta, you must be realizing the air quality index is so bad in Delhi now, which is so sad, yaar. For what joy, people? For what reason should you all live in such poor health conditions? It's because of vehicular pollution. It's because of dust. ठीक है. So बेटा, gaseous emissions from cars and vehicles, Gujarat, Rajasthan, absolutely superb. ठीक है. So many of my rock stars, बेटा, this drive temperature rise by trapping energy. So people, pollution में से जो dust that comes out and the gases, they are heavy gases. They don't go to the atmosphere. They get stuck here. Because they get stuck here, they keep warming everything. People, it's very very bad. ठीक है. Then people, we have industries. Again, industries OP, because manufacturing is important. भर भर के इसमें people, now there is an option of clean energy, but people, have we as a nation tried to use clean energy? वो भी नहीं किया है सर हमने, क्योंकि हम लोग डिपेंडेंट है कोल बेस्ड एमिशन पे अभी तक. people, because we are developing, we are not developed. Sir Shaheen Bagh. बेटा प्लीज स्टॉप राइटिंग और addresses in अमित सर का chat. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, Madhuri, I remember Yashweta. Oh my goodness, क्या बात है. ठीक है. So बेटा, there are release of pollutants which has a very big impact on environment. This disturbs the entire balance of nature. Again, disaster. चलो people, अभी आ जाओ on the worst effects of global warming. 100% people, glaciers का melting. People, did y'all know? Slowly, people, without us even knowing, beta, penguins are dying and that polar bears are starving. ठीक है. People, did you all even know this? हमको पता तक नहीं है. That's the tragedy. अभी people, where are penguins found? बेटा, penguins are found in Antarctica. Nobody goes to Antarctica. That's the tragedy. ठीक है. Polar bears are found in Arctic and Antarctic. But बेटा, it is very bad state. Because udhar there is not ice to survive. People, just imagine. Please remember, penguins need ice because they stay on ice. Why penguins are dying? बेटा, because उनका घर छोटा होते जा रहा है. Because the ice is melting. Acha, it is getting warmer. People, these animals are used to extreme cold conditions. उधर भी पीपल एंड डिड आर यू ऑल अवेयर एंटार्क्टिका में लास्ट टाइम द समर टेम्परेचर्स वेंट अप टू 18 डिग्री सेल्सियस। बेटा 18 डिग्री मतलब दिल्ली में से ज्यादा ठंड पड़ती है। एंटार्क्टिका में 18 डिग्रीज क्या है? मतलब यू कैन गो एंड स्टे इन एंटार्क्टिका रादर देन स्टेइंग इन दिल्ली और कुछ। पीपल दैट इज नॉट कूल ना। 18 डिग्रीज इज वेरी हॉट यार। मतलब 18 डिग्रीज में फुल बर्फ विल मेल्ट एंड बिकम पानी। पीपल जस्ट इमेजिन। अगेन दैट्स द ट्रेजेडी। ठीक है आर्यन तू बेटा पोकेमॉन ओपी चल अभी भाग यहां से। तू मेरा पोकेमॉन है आर्यन। ठीक है पीपल सो सैड ना। So what is happening is beta ice is getting thinner. ठीक है all the northern and southern seas का atmospheric conditions are vulnerable. अच्छा people polar ice caps melt. अभी people common sense where will the ice go? It will turn into water. Where will the water go? Join the ocean. बेटा इतना ice is melting कि the water level is rising. So people I'll give you my own example beta. Amit Sir stays in Mumbai. Mumbai is on the coast. We have the ocean. मेरे घर से 10 मिनट दूर बेटा sea है. So slowly people the water is rising. This is very scary. मतलब all the cities lying along the coastlines are doomed. 20 years में बेटा flooding will happen. Just imagine. So sad ना. Really scary right? चलो people 100% बहुत सारे ecological risks हैं. Animal life will be affected by higher carbon dioxide, leading to climate change, which will result in extinction. Beta, so many species of animals have mysteriously died. So many thousands of fish have been found floating dead in the water, just like that. People, tell me one thing: do any of us know what are clams? Beta, meko yo or no do in the chat. Do you know what are clams? Yo or no? बेटा गिमी डू यू नो क्लैम्स क्या होते हैं? चाहत उत्तराखंड से हो? क्या बात है क्या बात है। पीपल डू यू नो क्लैम क्या होता है? क्लैम यो और नो CLAM जस्ट गिव मी अ यो और अ नो। डू यू नो क्लैम्स? यो और नो यो और नो। अरे वाह यू नो सुपर। सो पीपल once this happened beta off the coast of Australia. ठीक है people they found 1 million clams dead. 1 million clams dead. Anyway, people then what did they discover? The temperature of the water rose by 2 degrees Celsius. Away people clams survive in the ocean, please understand. And slowly the temperature just kept rising. It rose by 2 degrees over a period of days. Beta uski wajah se the clams got cooked in the ocean. Imagine. Now are you understanding the level of the problem? People, we don't understand इधर इंडिया में बैठ के कि दूर दूर हो क्या रहा है. People so sad ना and so scary, right? This is what happened. Just imagine. सोचो यार खाली. ठीक है चलो people आगे बढ़ते हैं. ड्रीम चाइल्ड तेरे को ऑस्ट्रेलिया भेज दूंगा फॉरेस्ट फायर में. कुछ भी लिख रहा है मेरे चैट में. ठीक है चलो पीपल. अच्छा 100% बेटा मरीन लाइफ को सबसे ज्यादा सफर करना पड़ता है यार. ठीक है पीपल ग्लोबल वार्मिंग कैन लीड टू डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ मरीन एंड कोरल लाइफ. कोरल्स आर कंप्लीटली डेड. बेटा आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव हर्ड ऑफ द कंट्री कॉल्ड मॉलडीव्स. मॉलडीव्स इज एब्सोल्युटली गॉर्जियस. ठीक है सो मॉलडीव्स जैसे इंडियन और अटलांटिक ओशन के बीच में आता है. इट्स अ सीरीज ऑफ आइलैंड्स पीपल. उसके कोरल्स आर एब्सोल्युटली गॉर्जियस. पीपल आई हैड ट्रैवल्ड देयर 2 years बैक just to see the corals. You know what did Amit Sir see? I myself, beta, I saw full white corals. I was like, "Huh? White corals?" People, corals मतलब colorful. Corals मतलब corals क्या होते हैं ना बेटा? Corals are calcium formations. ठीक है सो कोरल्स आर अलाइव. कोरल जैसे कि वाटर प्लांट्स होते हैं ना वैसे सिमिलर सी बेड पे ग्रो होते रहते हैं कोरल्स. ठीक है पीपल एंड दे आर कलरफुल एंड दे आर ब्यूटिफुल एंड दे आर होम फॉर द फिश. बेटा ऑल द कोरल्स हैड टर्न्ड वाइट because they were dead. For finding colorful corals beta you will not believe हम लोग को एकदम deep sea में जाना पड़ा था just to be able to see some colorful corals. So sad ना people. This is the tragedy यार. ठीक है अच्छा बेटा 100% health factors. I'm going to show you examples of this also today. There are various indirect effects people. Malnutrition because there's no crops. There are droughts. There is lack of rainfall or severe rainfall. So people उसकी वजह से poor people तो suffer big time. That's the tragedy. चलो now how can we prevent all this sir? So what can we do as youth? 100%. ठीक है Shruti is asking sir do you know Arman Malik? Yes absolutely. ठीक है Velocity भैया मेरे को उसका आंसर नहीं पता यार. तू ओपी सवाल पूछ रहा है एकदम ही. तो बेटा 100% ना घर के लाइट्स को चेंज करो. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. बेटा रिप्लेसिंग वन रेगुलर लाइट बल्ब विद अ कॉम्पैक्ट फ्लोरेसेंट लाइट बल्ब. यू टेल योर पेरेंट्स, अगर यू आर यूजिंग द रॉन्ग लाइट बल्ब ना, विल सेव 150 पाउंड्स. बेटा 150 पाउंड्स मतलब 75 kgs of carbon dioxide a year. Your one light emits 75 kgs of carbon dioxide. Now imagine अगर इधर मेरे बैठे बच्चे कर रहे हैं, कितना फर्क पड़ेगा ना पीपल. एंड ऊपर से इट्स एनर्जी एफिशिएंट, जस्ट इमेजिन. ठीक है, इट्स सुपर्ब. ऑल योर आंसर्स कृष्णा एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. थैंक यू माय वेलोसिटी भैया. ठीक है, यस हार्दिक, यस किरण, सुपर्ब. किरण इज सेइंग रिश्ता क्या इतनी अच्छा बेटा 100% recycle and reuse. The best news that have come is plastic straws are banned from 1st of July. Amit sir is super happy. बेटा use steel के straws और paper के straws and अपनी straw खुद ही carry किया करो, अच्छे बच्चे बनो. ठीक है, so बेटा you can save 2400 pounds of CO2 per year by recycling half of your household waste. Plastic bag बंद करो यार. Use paper bag, use cloth bag and reuse, reuse, reuse. That is important. ठीक है, चलो पीपल. एंड इतना ज्यादा पैकेजिंग रैपिंग बबल रैपिंग एंड एवरीथिंग पीपल. 1200 pounds of carbon dioxide you will save if you reduce by garbage just by 10%. So people today say decide if you are even 1% inspired by Amit sir का वीडियो, go to मम्मी पापा आज से रिसाइकिल करेंगे. ठीक है, we will not throw away garbage, we will recycle garbage and we will be sensible. That's all people, that's the best. Yes, jute bag, Anshu, Krishna, superb, absolutely awesome. ठीक है, चलो बेटा 100% इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस थोड़ा कम करो एंड जब भी नॉट इन यूज बेटा बंद करो, मतलब सेव इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ठीक है, सो पीपल टर्निंग ऑफ योर टेलीविजन, डीवीडी प्लेयर, स्टीरियो, कंप्यूटर when you are not using them. When you are using them, use them. But beta, don't keep your laptop on. Don't keep your phone का charger connected with the switch on. Switches बंद करो. So beta, think, act and save. आज से everybody think, act and save. Please. 100%. ठीक है, 100% बेटा please plant trees as much as possible. So a single tree will absorb 1 ton of carbon dioxide. This तो something I'm sure आपके स्कूलों में भी आपको सिखाया जाता है. Everybody advises you to do that, so it is worth it. People, plant trees, absolutely awesome. People, finally, there is no place to live other than the earth, so please let's save the earth यार. और कोई option क्या है people? And now, before I leave, I want to tell you all people the top 3 countries. Please remember and be aware of this beta. That is, yes, people. नंबर 1 इज चाइना. बेटा चाइना इतना एमिट करता है, आई कैनॉट टेल यू, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली हॉरिबल. बट द गुड न्यूज इज कि चाइना को हमने बोल दिया है, हमने मतलब कि फुल वर्ल्ड ने बोल दिया है कि स्टॉप डूइंग इट. नेक्स्ट इज यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स बेटा विद 4.4 बिलियन टन्स ऑफ CO2. थर्ड इज अस पीपल, India. That's the problem. So people, we emit 2.3 billion. Not cool. And we have told this in the next 50 years we are going to half it. That's the coolest thing. Okay, people. So we are 100% going to half it. That's for sure. Chalo. So people, just to give you all one more perspective, beta dekh lo. China, US and India. Immediately uske baad aata hai Russia. Then there's Japan, Iran, Germany, South Korea, Saudi Arabia and Canada. These are your countries from the max to the min, people, in terms of emitting. ठीक है, चलो people, I want to just finally tell you all this one small thing and then we are done. There are 3 natural disasters that happened because of global warming which you should know in the world. Beta, number 1, there were massive Australian wildfires, absolutely massive, and it was so bad. ठीक है, you will not believe. देखो people, fires burned through 10 million hectares of land. I want you to just imagine beta 10 million hectares कितना बड़ा है. ठीक है, they killed 28 people. They were affected by a hazardous smoke haze. Smoke haze मतलब बेटा there was soot in the air. Imagine every time. Yes, floods in Assam. Absolutely, Hardik and Krishna. Thank you so much. Right now, floods in Assam are happening, and it's a very bad state of affairs. Very bad state of affairs. ठीक है, people, more than 1 billion native animals were killed. Beta, so sad. Who will save the animals deep inside the forest? We will not even know. And some species and ecosystems will not recover. So this is because of global warming. एक और बेटा, साउथ एशिया के floods, massive floods happened. So beta, deadly floods have and landslides have forced 12 million people. So India में असम के floods, ओडिशा के cyclones, बेटा नेपाल and Bangladesh very very bad floods है. And scientists say regions के monsoon rains are being intensified. तो क्या हो रहा है ना people? Everything is increasing. Summer is increasing, monsoon is increasing, winter is increasing. This is the saddest part. Boiling water of Amazon, absolutely Dharmendra, super, absolutely. ठीक है? And people, last but not the least, बेटा East Africa में it has been so bad. Children are dying, adults are dying, animals are dying. कुछ खाने को नहीं है. And ऊपर से utter poverty. People, higher sea temperatures linked to climate change have doubled the likelihood of drought. Drought matlab famine. Famine matlab no crops, nothing to eat. Beta, not only that, it has left 15 million people, ठीक है, in Ethiopia, Kenya, and Somalia on the brink of poverty and starvation. People, this is extremely sad. Really sad, now. So everybody should know this, beta. So uske liye, the good news is that there is a climate change summit. People, India is supposed to be the chair of the summit, and we are going to do something about it. So 2021 mein this happened. People called as COP26 because this was the 26th United Nations Climate Change, UNCC. So people, you should keep a watch on this. You should study and you should be aware कि हम लोगों को क्या क्या करना चाहिए. That is most important. ठीक है? चलो, people, इसी के साथ the next is going to be 31st October to 13 November 2021 में this happened in Glasgow. So sorry, this was the 2021 का summit. So I hope people, everybody is going to work towards preserving the environment. Beta, be pro environment, be conscious of the environment. Don't litter, don't waste. That is most important. चलो पीपल, इसी के साथ आई जस्ट वांट टू फाइनली लीव यू ऑल. अगर अभी तक वेदांतु में एनरोल नहीं करा है तो बेटा जल्दी कर लो. 8100 में यू आर गेटिंग रॉकिंग doubt solving, live quizzes, all India test series, all assignments beta, and study material. Matlab you are getting Tattva book ka soft copy also. That's the bestest part. People, please remember, you may be from class 6, class 7 or class 8 beta. Okay? You are going to get the same price. And now don't keep thinking, sir, should I take coaching, should I study on your own, because the price is so attractive. आप खाली पे कर रहे हो 625 per month. उसमें you are getting 3 major subjects, physics, chemistry and English. Absolutely awesome. ठीक है, तो आ जाओ सारे के सारे. आपको दिखा देते हैं कि एनरोल कैसे करना है. Everybody needs to go to youtube.com. People, this is Amit Sir का video that is happening. अंदर जाने के बाद everybody needs to click on your standard का link. People, are you guys grade 6, grade 7 or grade 8? ठीक है? So suppose you all are in grade 8, people click here and अंदर जाके you will come to know who is teaching you. Grade 8 में there's Ankita ma'am, Mohan sir and Diana ma'am. And people, also you are being taught all the major subjects. बेटा English का batch है, ठीक है? And people, this is your AI live का link. यहाँ पे you need to click on buy now. Don't forget, you get Vedantu improvement promise. That means if you join and your percentage does not improve, people, 100% your money will be refunded back to you. ठीक है? यहाँ पे जाके आपको buy now पे click करना है. That's all. ठीक है? चलो people, इसी के साथ I hope everybody is clear and beta I hope that the session was 100% useful. ठीक है? Until we meet again, please take care, please stay safe and please keep rocking. बेटा हमेशा please be pro environment. जाने से पहले please like the video, definitely comment and tell me how much did you enjoy, and बेटा share the video definitely. Thank you so much people. Please take care, please stay safe. This is Amit Sir signing off.